Hey, my name's Dylan Dunkerton. Kindness is my strongest strength trait. It stuck out to me the most because I'm always trying to help others, such as my elderly neighbor with her lawn care, or helping her turtle cross the road, or even little things like holding the door open for people at the gas station. Kindness is important because if we could all be a little more kind, we could help make a better future for us all. I love helping others when and where I can. Its virtue category is humanity, and its positive correlates that relate to me best are overall mental and physical health and longevity. My next trait is honesty. Its virtue category is courage, and the positive correlates that relate to me are positive mood, openness to new experiences, and this relates to me because I'm always trying new things, and I like to, I try to start the day off with a great positive attitude every day. My last trait is fairness. Its virtue category is justice, and its positive correlates that relate to me are perspective, self regulation, and pro social behavior. I try to think of others' perspective when making decisions, whether it's at the house or at work with coworkers. Um, the My career plan is to be a conservational officer, which needs to be honest, have a positive mood, have a good self regulation, and have compassion. All of these positive correlates with the traits that I picked. That's kind of why I picked them. Not only do they go good with me and my personal habits and beliefs, but they also kind of go really good with the career plan that I want to do. Um, I strive to be kind, honest, and fair in everything and that I do every day. But thank you for watching and have a great night.